Hello everyone and welcome to Nutrilicious Meals with Ruchi. Today in my kitchen, I'm planning to make a unique dish of Tandoori Nutrela Soya Pulao. As you know, no dish is complete if I don't give it a nutritious touch of my own. And I'm going to take some help from my bowl. Interesting, it's paneer. So let's make Tandoori Soya Paneer Pulao with Nutrela Soya. So for this, I'm going to be using my favorite pantry ingredient, Nutrela Soya Chunks. The best part of using soya chunks is that it absorbs any kind of flavors that you add in. It is very easy to use. I'm going to add 1 cup of these chunks in boiling hot water. I need to boil a few more ingredients, so I'm going to add in 2 tomatoes, 4 dry Kashmiri chilies that I've de-seeded, 8 to 10 cloves of garlic, ginger chopped, salt to taste. Boil all these ingredients for 10 minutes. Turn off the flame and now drain all these ingredients. Remove all the aromatic ingredients. Rinse it with some water and squeeze to remove all the excess moisture. These soya chunks are ready to use. These ingredients have cooled down as well. Remove the peel of the tomatoes. Grind all these ingredients into a smooth paste. The tomato paste is ready and now let's start cooking, for which I'm going to be using Nutrela refined soyabean oil. This will balance out the nutrition. This is fortified with vitamins A and D, and I would recommend this because it contains natural antioxidants. Heat 2 tablespoons of Nutrela refined soyabean oil. Add in 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, cinnamon and 3 cloves. Add in a bay leaf. Next, add in 3 onions shredded. Saute these onions till they are nice and brown. Once the onion turned brown, let's add in a few veggies. Half a carrot diced, cauliflower florets, 1/4 cup of green peas, half a capsicum diced. Saute these ingredients for a minute. Next, add in the tomato paste. While the veggies are cooking, I'm going to quickly mix in a few spices with some curd. And when it comes to spices, I use Patanjali spices because they add in a lot of flavor. Add in 1 teaspoon of Kashmiri red chili powder, 2 teaspoons of garam masala powder, 1 teaspoon of coriander cumin seed powder, 1 teaspoon of sugar, salt to taste. Mix all these ingredients together. Once the moisture dries out from the vegetables, add in the curd mixture. Give it a good mix. Cover and let this cook till the veggies are soft. After boiling, the soya chunks have softened in texture and will simply melt in your mouth. This definitely takes care of your daily requirement of protein and is low in fat. I'm adding 150 grams of cubed paneer. Paneer adds calcium and vitamin D in your diet, which makes it an ideal source for bone strengthening. 5 light green chilies. They're not very spicy. Gently toss the soya chunks and the paneer. Next, boiled basmati rice. Sprinkle a little bit of water over the rice. Gently toss all the ingredients again. To give it a tandoori flavor, I'm going to place a bowl over the pulao. Take a burnt piece of coal, place it in the bowl. Sprinkle a little bit of red chili powder and drizzle some ghee. Cover and let this infuse for 1 minute. After a minute, open the lid and remove the coal. Let's plate this. Coriander leaves. Our hot, tempting, nutritious Nutrela Tandoori Soya Paneer Pulao is ready. Do try this recipe at home, and for more such recipes, do check out the Instagram handle mynutrela. Subscribe to the channel. I'll be back with some interesting dishes very soon. Bye-bye.